Hi, myself Harsha Johnson. You are on 5CS064. Now I'm going to do my sixth experiment, that is configuration of dynamic routing using OSPF. OSPF is nothing but the shortest path. Then this kind of network is used where larger network connection is there, and if it is not straight, it will find an alternate way. It will find an alternate way to send the messages to other packets. Then here for all the PCs I have given the IP address that now I'll show one IP address. For this I have given the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. Here I have given the IP address 10.1. Then for the next PC I've given the IP address as 20. Then for the next I have given the IP address as 30. So for all the PCs I have set the IP addresses. Then now we'll check that how to connect now we'll check the connections from the switches to the router. In switch they're using the CLI, where the CLI is the command line interface. In CLI we have used commands like no int, then we have saved the IP addresses. Then I have set the serial numbers, then the IP numbers are all etc. are all saved. In this way we have saved the data from like switch to the remote. Now we'll check whether it is routing or not. Now, okay, it shows the routing table, it shows the type, a network, port, etc. Similarly, for all the routers, different routing tables are there. For this also showing type, network, and the port numbers, etc. For all the routers, different numbers are saved. In this also they have given the type, network, and port numbers, etc. In all these three routers, the numbers are different. Now we can check whether it is pinging or not. And one of the main thing that we can find in one of the main change that we can see in this router is that usually we are using the subnet mask, but here we are using the wildcard mask, where wildcard mask is 0.0.255. So in this way we are connecting the switches to the routers. Now we'll see whether it is pinging or not. For that we'll give ping 192.168.10.1. So it shows that it has been pinged. So this program gives us expected output for different combinations. That's our program. Thank you.